Here I have XIAOMI Mi 9 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to enter Fastboot mode on this device. So firstly, you have to turn your device off, and after it turns off completely, you have to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. And after that you will enter Fastboot mode. If you want to exit this mode, just hold down power key for about 5 or 10 seconds, and after that your device will be restarted. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.